Hey, this is CrocFIX and I will show you today how to replace your cracked and broken LCD screen on your Huawei Y6 2017, also known as the Nova Young. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy! So first we will need to remove the back cover. It's made from plastic and you have a gap there, so it's very easy to remove it. Okay, that's it. Now we have to remove the screws. There are a lot of them, so don't forget any screw. You can call me Mr. Screwmaster. So as you see, there is a screw under this white sticker, so don't forget it. And there is another one on the bottom, otherwise you can't remove the backplate. So you see the backplates are made from 3 pieces. Okay, another one, and now we should be ready to go. Okay, once we remove the back plates, we have to disconnect the battery, and then we will heat up the battery a little bit, not too much. I'm using around 170 degrees, and don't go too close to the battery, but this is only for a minute or so, so it's not dangerous. So maybe you can just go for 30 seconds or so. So I go carefully now with this tool to lift the battery up a little bit in the corners, and then as well in the bottom. You see, you can just go maybe underneath and then you just press, and then you wait for a couple of seconds. You will see that the adhesive glue is becoming less stronger, so just go pull it up a little bit slowly and wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, try again and be careful, don't break anything. Okay, then you can help yourself as well with a hand. So slowly pull it out. Okay, there we go. So I'm turning around the battery and make it even again. Just go and press everywhere in the corners, so the battery shouldn't be bended, but this was just a little bit, it should be fine. But if you bend it too much, you maybe have to replace the battery, so be careful. Okay, now we are going to, I'm just like fixing this tape for gluing the battery back later. Okay, and now we are going to remove the old cracked screen. So at first we heat up the heat gun, and let's start. Maybe you need to heat up the display for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and at around 170 to 200 degrees, depends on you. So around 350 Fahrenheit should be fine. As you see, I help myself with a craft knife, with a scalpel, just going here inside to make a gap between the screen and the frame. Just be carefully, watch out, watch your fingers and stuff. And then I'm using a plastic card and just go around to cut the adhesive and to loosen it. So yeah, be careful. Work slowly, And if you can't manage it to disassemble it right away, try again. Help yourself a little bit with a plastic knife. Make a gap and go around again. Okay, you can try to go left and right and try to cut the adhesive glue. It will be easier. Okay, we are almost done. Just take the old adhesive tape. Okay, and remove the screen. That's it. There are still some pieces of glass in the frame. I will remove them later. So clean the frame and remove all pieces of glass which remained. So now I'm going to connect the new screen just to see if everything is working fine before I'm gluing it inside the frame. Okay, I just put a plastic card under the battery so the battery won't stick again, just for testing. The touch seems to work fine, so everything should be okay. So I'm going to clean here some small pieces, and now we take the glue. I'm using today the B7000. You can also use the E8000. Doesn't matter. Maybe the E8000 is a little bit more liquid than this one. With the B7000 you have to work a little bit faster. So just gluing here everything around. And now let's press the new screen inside the frame. Watch out, carefully, don't break anything or you will regret it. Okay, once the new screen is inside, I'm going to use these plastic holders, plastic clips, to hold the screen inside the frame. This is a small screen, so maybe you need only two. Okay, and then you leave it there for maybe like an hour or 2 hours, the best. After that you can remove the plastic clips, and now we have to fix this flex cable from the screen. So under the flex cable there is a adhesive glue, which we have to remove the sticker first, you see. Okay, and now let's stick the flex cable inside the frame. Just fixing here the cable and align it so it's in a good shape, I mean in a good place. Okay, we put back the battery. There we go. I'm gently pressing it around in every corner to stick it better, and then I'm using a cloth and just go press everywhere around, just like you polish it, but a little bit harder. So let's connect everything back. Let's connect the battery. Okay, there we go. Seems like the battery is empty here. but it doesn't matter anyway. Okay, let's put back the back plates. We have 3 pieces, so you can put first the biggest piece, and then on the top, and then the last one at the bottom. So, Mr. or Mrs., you have to take all screws and screw them together now. Don't forget any screw. Okay. And now let's put it together. That's it. Put it on a charger. And we are done. Yeah! So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a donate link, maybe for coffee or something. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks.